Hello and welcome to 723 Productions. I'm Howie, and today you're about to see something really cool. It's an 01 CR125 that is going to be a Scott Sheak Tribute build. Also, if this is your first time here, I hope you will subscribe and just check out all the videos we got. We got a lot of cool stuff going on. Here's an 03 KX250 that has been stripped right down to the frame. A lot of cool things happening with this bike. This is also home of the 2022 Broke to Built contest winner, Mitch Allard's 1987 CR500, so you can check that bike out here as well. So please stick around, subscribe. Also, with this video, the footage you're about to see is a little bit older, so the bike is actually a little further progressed than when you're about to see. So again, stay tuned. This bike is almost done. We're just waiting on a couple things like plastics and graphics. So enjoy, and we'll see you guys in the next video. All right, what's going on YouTube? Got a pretty cool surprise today. We are working on two 201 CR125s?
It's two 2001 CR125s. Pretty cool story with them. They're actually former factory Plano Honda race bikes. All the research I've done that pointed it out to be Ivan Tedesco's practice bike / race bike that I think they kind of threw together throughout the season.
Here's the AMA sticker there. We got the Tedesco sticker on the shock. And then this one was not Tedesco's. This was
actually Jacki Short's WMX bike, Andrew Short's wife. Buddy of mine reached out to me after he saw a 96 CR250 that I built. He was really good friends with Scott Sheak. He wanted to do a 97 CR125, which is pretty hard to find.
Yep.
So when Scotty came back from Europe, he rode for Plano Honda. And we found these bikes. Actually, I found them in Texas, and he had them shipped up. So Greg Shalacombe is going to have at least one, probably two, pretty sweet CRs, showpieces, riders. Haven't really decided what we're going to do with that one yet. But the Jacki Short bike is turning into a Scott Sheak Tribute / replica bike.
Yep. And this one's already got the motor done. Everything's all vapor honed and looking good, fresh. We have most of the parts for this build, right? So we're gonna start putting this together, and yeah, enjoy the video and the process. Yep, and let us know what you think. Mitch, I thought you said you were a KTM guy.
Yeah, you wouldn't know by looking though, would you? I think there's one down in the basement.
Another Honda in the basement. That's his 96 McGrath bike.
The 94, the Tedesco bike, the 87 500 Broke to Built bike, and
now
let's
this
go
one
with 4.5.
Right. A couple Suzuki's over here.
Those are nice.
Yeah, we'll get there.
Triple clamps.
Yep.
Pro Circuit made some back in the day.
Yep.
But they don't have a plate, and that wouldn't let you run the flat
fender
race style
number plate.
Yeah, kind of like, I don't have it hanging up. I got the old shrouds up there, but you couldn't really run that with. I don't think the 09 front fender, because it flares out a little bit more, where this one is a much straighter Honda style front fender.
Yep.
So it would have that pointed look, and he wants it to look like an old one. So that's the interesting part.
Starting to look like a dirt bike.